Hello viewers, today I am going to talk about Kehrva Tal, which is the most common tal in Indian light music. My today's lecture will include theoretical as well as practical aspect of Kehrva Tal with its Dugun and Chougun Layakaris. Before explaining this popular tal of light music, I will like to brief the viewers about tal. Though in my previous lectures on Teen Tal and Ek Tal, I had explained in detail about what is Tal. Yet once again, I am briefing about Tal. Tal or rhythmic cycle is an Indian system of rhythm. Lay or rhythm is the basic tempo which is set by the performer for singing, playing any musical composition. When lay or musical time is fixed in matras, it is known as tal. Or we can say tal is a cycle of the fixed number of matras or beats repeated over and over again till the composition is completed. Each tal has different number of beats in it. For the students of music, it is important to have the knowledge of the most common tals of Hindustani music like Teen Tal, Ek Tal, Jhap Tal, Dadra Tal, Rupak Tal and Kehrva Tal. So, in this lecture, I am going to explain Kehrva Tal with its theoretical and practical aspects, and that too with its Dugun and Chougun Layakaris. So, now over to Kehrva Tal. Kehrva Tal is the most popular tal of tabla in northern India, which is frequently used on other drums also. This tal is an 8-beat tal of non-classical tradition, which is widely used in Geet, Ghazal, Bhajan, folk tunes and film music too. We find a large number of film songs composed in Kehrva Tal. It is never used for the classical styles of singing like Dhrupad, Dhamar, Khayal and Tarana etc. In fact, Kehrva Tal is played with the same kind of light classical and popular music as in Dadra Tal and Rupak Tal. The structure of Kehrva Tal is very simple. This is the tal of 8 beats and is divided into 2 vibhags of 4 beats each. Sum the clap on the first beat and the khali, the wave of hand on the 5th beat. The bols of Kehrva Tal are dha ge na ti na ka dhinna, which are written in the script. It should be no surprise that there are a number of variations about Kehrva Tal. Simple rhythm of Kehrva Tal often makes the children to dance. Not only this, its rhythm moves even every young and old. You can see in the script table of Kehrva Tal written in its complete form, that is showing sum, tali and khali. Now you listen practical performance of Kehrva Tal on tabla.
Tal Kehrva, tha le. Dha, ge, na, ti, na, ka, the, na.
Now, let us ahead towards the second part of the lecture, which is about Dugun and Chougun Layakaris of Kehrva tal. But first, let me tell you what is Layakari. The word Layakari is derived from the word lay. Lay is the basic rhythm or tempo which is set by the performer for singing or playing any musical composition. Layakari is the ability to manipulate the notes according to lay or rhythm. This lay can be double, triple or up to 8 times faster of the original or the basic lay which is set by the performer. When lay is doubled, it is known as Dugun, or we can say Dugun is the double of the original lay. Similarly, when lay becomes 4 times faster of the original or the basic lay, it is known as Chougun. Dugun and Chougun etc. these are called the different Layakaris of tal. These Layakaris can be better understood in a simple way, that the time consumed for one bol or syllable in one beat in the basic lay is the same for 2 bols in Dugun and for 4 bols in Chougun Layakari. Let me demonstrate it. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the basic lay. Now, for Dugun, I will recite 2 digits or 2 bols in one beat. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Similarly, I will recite 4 bols in one beat for Chougun. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, I will demonstrate Dugun and Chougun Layakaris of Kehrva tal by hands. First, the Theka of Kehrva tal, and then I will demonstrate the Dugun of Kehrva tal. See, dha, ge, na, te, na, ka, dhin, na. Dhage nate nak dhinna 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 dha.
ताल कहरवा दोगुन लय धा गे ना ते ना क धे ना धा गे ना ते ना क धे ना.
See the Chougun of Kehrva tal, first single and then the Chougun Layakari. Dha, ge, na, te, na, ka, dhin, na. Dhage na te na ka dhin na, 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 dha, ge, na, te, na, ka, dhin na. Dhage na te na ka dhin na, 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 dha. Now you listen Kehrva tal on tabla with its Chougun Layakaris.
ताल कहरवा चौगुन लय धा गे ना ते ना क धे ना धा गे ना ते ना क धे ना धा गे ना ते ना क धे ना धा गे ना ते ना क धे ना.
You must have noticed while performing by hands or playing on tabla, Dugun consumes half of the time and the Chougun consumes 1/4 of the time as it takes in the single lay. Or we can say that in the same time, takeoff tal is repeated 2 times in Dugun and 4 times in Chougun Layakari. Now let's proceed towards the writing of these various Layakaris of Kehrva tal. For writing of tal in single unit called tha, first of all we will have to write the total matras or the beats of tal in digital numbers. Then to divide the total beats in small sections or groups called vibhags. The most important part for writing any tal is to write the bols or the syllables of tal, which in complete form is called the takeoff tal. Last but not the least step to write any tal is to put tal chin, that is the symbol of rhythmic cycle. The 3 important beats for any tal are sam, tali and khali. You can see in the script takeoff Kehrva tal written in its complete form, that is showing the matras, bol and talchin of sam, tali and khali. It is not irrelevant to mention that for writing any tal with its Layakaris like Dugun and Chougun, Pandit Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande's notation system has been adopted, because this notation system has become the medium of instructions in institutional music education in almost all over India. After writing the takeoff Kehrva tal, the next step is how to write the Dugun and Chougun Layakaris of tal. Writing Dugun of Kehrva tal. As I said and demonstrated before, Dugun is the double of basic lay. Now for writing Dugun of Kehrva tal, 2 bols or syllables of the tal are combined together in one beat by putting the symbol of an Ardh Chandra, a half moon like figure beneath the 2 bols. While doing so, the complete takeoff tal will be repeated 2 times, combining 2 bols together in each beat. You can see Dugun of Kehrva tal written in the script. It is very important to mention here again, while writing Dugun or double of any tal, only the takeoff tal will be written 2 times, combining 2 bols of tal in each beat, whereas matras and the tal chin will be written 1 time only. Writing Chougun of Kehrva tal. As I have said, Chougun is 4 times faster of the basic lay. For writing Chougun Layakari of tal, method is the same. The symbol for writing Chougun Layakari is the same, that is an Ardh Chandra, a half moon like figure for combining 4 bols together in one beat in Chougun. You can see Chougun of Kehrva tal written in the script. You must have noticed while writing the Chougun Layakari, Theka of tal is repeated 4 times. It is not irrelevant to mention once again that only the bols of tal will be repeated 4 times in Chougun Layakari, whereas matras and talchin will be written 1 time only. While practicing by hand or playing on tabla, Dugun, Chougun, Layakari will consume the same time as it takes in single lay. Thus, following these steps, students of music can recite and write Dugun, Chougun or any other Layakari of tal very easily and quickly. To sum up, we can say that Kehrva tal is the most popular and maximum used tal in light music. It is a basic tal in music about which every student of music should be aware of. For semi-classical, light and even folk music and film music, it is used frequently. Whenever we use any rhythm unconsciously or we play any rhythm unconsciously, it is a rhythm of Kehrva tal without acknowledging it. Layakaris of any tal are very interesting and astonishing part of tal. It is both ways interesting to write the Layakari and to do it practically. Once the student understands the method of doing it, they start practicing and writing these Layakaris from the very early stage of music learning. It is so easy and interesting that even the beginner students can follow this system of writing the Layakaris as well as performing the Layakaris very quickly. Thus, we can see that tal and Layakaris of tal help the students in developing their interest in the subject. Not only this, the students develop the habit of keeping good command over lay or rhythm. Thank you.